happen to stay in a cabin that I cleaned, there will be a little gift for you. This one, there happens to be some thieves cleaner, some household thieves cleaner. So I clean all my cabins with household thieves cleaner. It does a better job than any other cleaner on the market, hands down. And at only $1.50 to $2 a bottle, why are you not buying it? Because it's all natural, it's okay for your kids, it's okay for your animals. I heard one of our other cleaners the other day, she said, I even use it on windows. Okay, so literally we use it on everything, okay? So if you happen to stay in this cabin, you will be getting a Thieves Household Cleaner. I also wanna know, because I'm gonna post this on the Lake City Locals page, I wanna see if anybody has actually picked up any of my samples. So I want you to comment on the post when I put it on the Lake City Locals and Friends page and tell me if you have gotten a sample from me. And